Nature Cat and his friends are always learning new things about nature. Falling acorns. That's how this tree is spreading its seeds, using gravity to send them far enough away so the new trees will have room to grow. There are other seeds that can travel by spinning through the air or grabbing on for a free ride. Seeds can definitely get around. Discover more cool things about nature with Nature Cat anytime on the PBS Kids video app. But stick around, there's lots of fun up next on PBS Kids. Nature Cat, Daisy, Hal, and Squeaks are a team of best friends. You know, sometimes it takes a lot of teamwork to make it in the ocean, especially when you're a little guy, because there are some big fish out there looking for a snack. But when one little guy teams up with another and another, they make a group called a school. And being in a school is a really good thing. No one is going to mess with you. Join Nature Cat and his friends to learn more cool things about nature anytime on the PBS Kids video app. But stick around, there's lots of fun up next. Nature Cat knows it's important to take care of and protect things in nature because we all share the same space. Imagine if we were all hanging out inside your home and everyone left without cleaning up. Gross! That's why it's important to throw your trash away when you're outside, where animals live. Nature will thank you for it. Find more ways you can take care of nature with Nature Cat anytime on the PBS Kids video app. But stick around, there's more fun up next on PBS Kids. Nature Cat loves to explore nature. And nature can be a pretty smelly place. Have you ever noticed some smells are super sweet and some are really stinky? These scents are important because they say, come over and hang out with me, or stay away. You can find out more about nature with Nature Cat at pbskids.org. But stick around, there's more fun up next on PBS Kids.
Welcome to the new generation of web creation, where your vision and technology works as one, so you can create the way you think. Wix.
Nature Cat loves being outside and exploring nature, but sometimes it's easy to lose your way. When that happens, you can retrace your steps, or look for landmarks, something you recognize in the distance, to help you find your way back home. Find out more ways to navigate through nature with Nature Cat anytime on pbskids.org. But stick around, there's more fun up next on PBS Kids. Nature Cat and his friends love to discover new things about nature. Whoa, check out the moves on that honeybee. She's dancing. Know why? Bees use a special dance called a waggle to talk to each other. That's right. She's telling all her other bee friends to come this way. I found us some food. Everybody waggle now. You can explore and learn more cool things about nature with Nature Cat at pbskids.org. But stick around. There's lots of fun up next on PBS Kids. Nature Cat and his friends have seen some pretty spectacular things in nature, like rainbows, a curved line of different colors that can appear when the sun shines through rain. Sometimes it takes a while to see a rainbow, but if you get tired of waiting, you can always make one at home. Just get a water hose, stand with your back to the sun, and spray. Spectacular! And refreshing. Join Nature Cat for more amazing nature discoveries anytime on the PBS Kids video app. But stick around, there's lots of fun up next. Nature Cat and his friends love to go outside and explore nature. Next time you're outside, pick up a rock. You'll be amazed at all the tiny creatures living there, like bugs. And they don't just live under rocks, they're everywhere. In fact, if you weighed all the people in the world and all the bugs in the world, guess who weighs more? Bugs! They might be tiny, but they're mighty. You can learn more cool things about nature with Nature Cat at pbskids.org. But stick around, there's more fun coming up next. Nature Cat and his friends spend so much time outdoors, they practically live there. Hey, if you were an animal, where would you live? Maybe in a tree? A tree is home to lots of different kinds of animals, sort of like one giant apartment building with food and and a safe place to sleep. Going up. Second floor. Learn more about trees and nature with Nature Cat anytime on the PBS Kids video app. But stick around, there's more fun up next on PBS Kids. Nature Cat and his friends love to explore nature. And you can too. Take one step outside and you'll find amazing colors everywhere. Some animals use colors to hide and blend in. And others use them to stand out and say, "Look at me." Every day, nature puts on one colorful fashion show. You can discover more about nature with Nature Cat at pbskids.org. But stick around, there's lots of fun up next on PBS Kids.